Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Abid Irfan Hiroshi, but you can call me Abid, and today I want to present about my favorite country. And today I'm going to share about France. So most people know France for Paris fashion or our and also the food. But France is much deeper. It's a country built from history, the braveness, the conflict that shaped the modern of world. And for me, France is unique because everything about it feels so meaningful and beautiful, from the architecture to its art, for the culinary and others. And let's explore the world of the country of diamonds is France. Okay, so first I want to tell a little bit more about France. So France is a country that located in Western Europe, and this is one of the most influential country in the history. Its capital city is Paris, as people know it as the city of light. And some people say this, that if you live in France, you will get many ideas and meaningful life. And France also famous about for its diverse landscape, from lavender fields in province and the Mont of Blanc and the Genie Valley. And then next, so for the most famous event in France, that is the French Revolution that killed the king and queen in France, and also killed the famous founder of Oxygen theory, that is Antoine Lavoisier. One of the most powerful moments in French history, that is the crime that does by the people in France. This event didn't just change France, but it changed the entire France things, like political and other things. And it started when people demanded equality, justice, and freedom for an unfair monarchy. And until now, people still believe that this event is connected to legends that say there's three diamonds that cursed the French land, so it killed the king and queen of France. Okay, then next. And for the next, France treasure and valuable artifacts. So we know France is home for the world's most precious items. Some of the world's most precious items and treasures, not just diamonds, but also paintings and historical gems. And here are a few things that France saved in its bed. First is the crown jewels of France, that including the legendary blue diamond that had decorated the sword of Napoleon. And that's one of the purest diamonds ever discovered. Next, the most famous paintings in world is the painting of Mona Lisa, that now stored in the Museum of Louvre. And the next is the Declaration of the Rights of Man and Citizen, a document that includes things about France's local history and rights around the world. And then the icon itself for the France located in Paris is the Eiffel Tower that created by a man who named Eiffel. And also these treasures remind us that France isn't only about luxury, it's about preserving ideas and art that change humanity. Okay, not just about the treasures, French also have famous mountains and nature. Okay, so France also have that his its own powerful mountainous, especially in the Alps. Alps is place in French. These mountains known for their sharp peaks, blue white snow, and breathtaking scenery. The most famous peak in France is Mont Blanc, the highest mountain in Western Europe. It stands tall like a white crown and it's so majestic. People visit the Alpes because of for skiing, hiking, and taking the video or photo about the scenery and icy landscape. Just like Swiss, French mountains carry a sense of charming and majestic views. And then the culture and art, also the creativity. So we know that France not just have natural charm or diamonds and treasure, but it also famous because its culture. France has always been the heart of global art, including the Claude Monet, the founder of Impressionism, and the famous painter who cut his own ears, that is Vincent van Gogh. Vincent van Gogh create some of the best paintings in the history of France and in the history of artistic world. Next, this Victor Hugo, the author of Les Miserables, that we know that's a masterpiece created by a very amazing people, a person that teach us the humanity. And then the last is Voltaire, the key of the Enlightenment. French culture values imagination, style, elegance, and expressions. Even their daily life feels artistic. Cafes on the streets, musicians near the river, and painters along the Seine River. That France prove us that they didn't just a country, but it's a community of life. Mm, okay. Okay. Okay, and I want to tell you next is about some famous peoples in France histories. France, as we know, has produced many peoples who changed the world, like Napoleon Bonaparte, a brilliant leader who changed the world of Europe, who reshaped Europe. And then Marie Curie, a lady who that are a genius that discovered radium and polonium chemistry things that she also winning two Nobel prizes. Then there's Jeanne d'Arc or Joan of Arc that it's become a symbol of courage and faith. The last two is Charles de Gaulle, a key figure in modern French leadership, and Edith Piaf, one of the most iconic singers in Europe. These figures shows how diverse and powerful the country of France was. in science, politics, music, treasures, and literature. Next, for food and lifestyles of French people. French food, it's not just a food, it's a culture. Their dishes are made with care, patience, and traditions. One of the famous is cheese varieties or wine that center in Bordeaux, baguettes, the long bread, pastries like macarons, and also eclairs. French peoples and their cultures show value and intentional living. They enjoy conversations and quiet moments. It's a lifestyle that reminds the world to breathe, appreciate, and enjoy life one step at a time. Okay, what lessons that we can take from France itself? So, France teach us that beauty can come from creativity, not just perfection, and change is possible when people stand together. Like the people of France who are solid to become a country of culture. And also, culture is not just a thing, but it's the treasure that we have to protect it, share it, and learn from it. And plus, we know that from friends that history matters and don't ever to forget it because it shapes people or an organization and shapes who we will become. From revolutions to art movements, France has always been a country that dares to challenge ideas and create new ones. Okay, and before I close, I want to say why I admire France. I admire France because it's a mix of elegance, purpose, courage, and creativity. A place where all streets and memories takes us to a warm place where art lives on every corner. And French streets feels like a diamond that shines through us. And if I could visit France, I would explore its museums, restaurants, and others. So that's why France is my favorite country. Maybe that's all. That's all from me. I'm Muhammad Abidul Fahri Rashid. Syukran. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Guys, I am Muhammad Abidul Fahri Rashid and you can call me Abid. And today, I want to present to you about all of my best projects since 7th grade until now. But for that, I want to tell me a little bit more about myself. My full name is Muhammad Abid Firashi. You can call me Abid. I'm now in the 9th grade of junior high school in Boarding School. Okay. First, the things that I want to present is about my project. There's 3 sections. There's ID, English, and Dunia. And for ID, it's science, IoT, and apps, and also games. Because ID have so many sections. Okay, first for the ID. Okay, so before I continue, I want to tell a little bit about IT projects in IDM. So for the 7th grade, we just making games and we also learn the basics of Canva. For the games that we make, it's like catching fruit or defender. And for the posters we make, it's usually we make it for the poster games or the project. And in the 8th grade, we have Figma. In IT, we have Figma design, and also we have IoT and robotic. And then now in the ninth grade we have the apps. We make apps, use Flutter and also Google. Okay, for the first design. First design best projects is CafeClicks UI. It's a UI script that me and my friends make in the 8th grade as the SKL. And about CafeClicks itself, it's an application that serve you many menus of coffees and also many cafes around you. And also it have the feature for delivery and also you can use many types of payment. CafeClicks is an app that we make from the inspirations of Figma prototype in Figma community. That's the application's name, I forgot, but it's just an application for design interior. So for CafeClicks we use the same color palette, that is greenish colors, and also we specialize in good UI and also informations that can understand by lay people. For the time itself, we make it for 2 until 3 weeks because it's a bit complicated, and we not just do the UI, but we also doing the prototyping and like the button that we can click, the sign in screens, and many more. And the flows when you will open the application first. If you're not logging yet, you not log in, and then you will see the home page that you can see a lot of cafes that we recommend, and you just click the cafes and book time. For example, Friday from 11 until 1 o'clock. So later the application will send your request, your order to the cafes that you choose, and later you have registered. You can go to that source, but before that you also have to search in for the news. After that you will doing the pay, and you can see the deliveries or the maps where you could find that cafes. Next is some illustrations that I made in the designs. So the first illustrations I made for the first projects in Figma is the person illustrations. So wait, the look is like this. The projects are like this. For the reference, for the body, I use this, the pictures I take from the Pinterest. And for the face and hair and head, I use this. And this is my illustrations results. And not just that, I also use illustrating technique to my other projects, like my advertisement poster for burger. Some of that element I also use illustrations, and also for my personal projects, that's I also make a UI app. And for some elements and mascots, I use I use illustrations for the mascot. I show you first. Okay, before while we waiting the loading, I want to share to you about how we make the illustrations. So in Figma, there's a pen tool. Later you just trace from the image. You just follow the shapes. Okay, this you see this mascot in here. I make it using illustrations that I use it to my UI, and some of that's also in here. For the mascots, I also use illustrations, and for this picture, I also use illustrations for the picture. And don't forget this, for the mountains, I also use illustrations. And after all, illustration is one of my favorite projects in design sections. Okay, next to the IoT and IoT and app. That the first is the IDN competitions projects. In there, we make the smart bin. That if you comments with your voice, then it will detect what you are asking for. Then the bin will open itself. And also the benefits of this is that it can make you easy to divide your cache and also make the activity easier. And the second IoT is the smart parking. The smart parking is an app that we use. The main use of this is if you see in mall, then you see in basement on the top you will see a lamp. If the lamp turn green, that means that lot is empty. But if it's red, that it had filled with car or bicycle. So you can easily search for empty lot for your cars or your other transportations. And for these two projects, we made in 3 weeks until 1 month. And for the app, best for me, of course, it's my Meetup applications, because the what made me interested in here, because I've seen so many applications like Muslim Pro and others that serve as many features about Islamic activity, and because it's my first time and I like, wow, I can make it, so I just felt it's so interesting and it's so satisfying to see the results that we had done. And for the others IT projects that's not included in here is the video editing. Actually, it's the Dakwah video that is one of the style of our projects. In the videos we make two themes and title. The first is about salat, why you leave salats or why you skip days without doing prayers. And the second is when you will do taubat, that I met with my teams. And the last is the profile company. The profile company is a video that gives the informations about IDN, this school, and it's also included our video taking and editing skills. Okay, next for the English lessons, there's two. The first is short movie, the second short movie that is about friendship. So it tells us a story about a guy who live in a boarding school, and then his 4 friends, there are 5. His 4 friends is a very loyal and a good friends, but one day the main characters have had to move to another school because his parents has the jobs outside, and his friends want to prepare presents and a gift for him, and after he want to step out from school, that his friends gives their best gifts in all time. And next is my country presentations. Why I said it's the best? Because the country I present is France. That I just think that country is very good and also very disciplined, and don't forget about the nature. So I just felt like it's so overwhelming, the scenery and others. Next and the last is the Dinia projects, the Dinia favorite projects. The first is the Dinia Fikih projects in 7th grade. It's the mind map salat, and also at that time there is a competitions about mind mapping in IDN, a little competitions, and I win the mind mapping salat posters. And then the second is the motion graphic. There's two motion graphics, but the best I think is the first. That is about if you want to search for jobs, you have to seek for the Allah's face. This motion graphics use the sound from Ustadz Dulul Dikri, one of the ulama in Indonesia, one of the famous. And then I use this with, because it's still 7th grade, I make this with Canva. The last two is the video about Abu Bakar. So this video tells about Abu Bakar's biography, his nasab, and also his death and his Khalifah era. For the durations of this video is 7 minutes. That is the one of the newest Dinia projects in here now. And then the last is my Jum'ah mind mapping that I made in 8th grade. That tells the sunnah of Jum'ah, like clipping nails and take a bath, also using perfume. Okay, maybe that's all. Okay, maybe that's all. I'm sorry if I can describe completely or interesting, and I'm sorry if I have a lot of mistake. Syukran. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, so Abid, today we're going to do an interview for the final project, and maybe it takes only 5 minutes, yeah. Okay, so without further ado, we directly go to the interview. Okay, the question. Okay, so please tell me about yourself.
Okay, so hello everyone and hello Mister. My name is Muhammad Abid Dufan Hiroshi, but in here I usually called by Abid. And then I'm 14 years old, and now I'm in the 9th grade of Indian boarding school. And I born in Bukit Tinggi, placed in West Sumatra, in 11 November 2011.
Good. Okay, please tell me what are you passionate about?
So actually from I still little, my passion always change over time. My first passion is drawing, but until now drawing is still my passion. And then I also interested to cooking, like cooking food or bread or cake. After that, I also interested in swimming because I just feel it's so fun. And then the next passion is when I am 10, I interested in robotic. But when I enter IDN, now I more interest in and more passion in DKV or design until now.
Okay. So now your school is in IDN.
Yes.
And then please tell me what is your opinion about IDN.
So my first opinion is this little story. When I first know IDN, my mom said, "Bit, you want to school in here or no? This school can help you to increase your skills about robotic or others." And then when I heard the things that we learn in here, I'm very interested. So I want to take my junior high school in here. And after that, when I already in 7th grade, I thinking IDN is what ya, because the nature views. I think it's very refreshing if you stress. And then for the learning from 7th grade until now, it's very good because not many school can learn about this thing IT, because it's not common like yeah. And then for the teacher, I think the teacher is very good, and they also show us the example for discipline, and yeah, like that.
Okay. So during your learning, have you ever struggled in learning everything here? Like, found the difficulty and how to solve it? How did you solve it?
First, my main problem when I'm learning, because maybe my immune so if I look too much on the laptop just for maybe in one day, if I'm not fit enough, I will be drop and get sick. And I also have allergies, so that's my main problem. And for the learning lessons, my problem maybe because wait, misalkan you pause.
How to
I thinking about the answer.
answer?
Yes.
What the question?
The answer. I thinking the English.
What?
I thinking the English. Can you pause?
Pause first.
Yes.
Um,
And for the lesson difficulties, I think because sometimes I absent from class because sick, I just have to racing to reach my SKL. And because the material not done yet, and the teacher still explaining in IT, still explaining and continuing my friend's last material, so I have to wait first. And also for come forward in learning, for like presentations or talking in front, because I am homeschooling, so I've a little bit not confidence to go forward, and I'm still confused how to speak. But I think that can be solved by forcing yourself to challenge, and so your confidence will increase. That's it.
Done? Okay, the last one. Because you want to graduate from here, right? From junior high school and move to senior high school. And then give me the words during you have in junior high school. During your learning in junior high school. So please give me the words.
Words. So by my experience, because my words just is, don't ever you ragu
Hesitate.
yeah, don't ever you hesitate yourself for doing something, because if you forcing yourself like me and my other friends and many other students in here, you can also forcing your self upgrade. So if you forcing, you will not just stuck in that point, but you will grow. And also I want to say, always repent and doa to Allah, because we are human and we have many sins, and if we not clean up our heart, we cannot make our intentions right. And also to say thank you for my teachers from IS 7th grade until I'm in here in 9th grade.
Kan? Okay, thank you very much ya for today, Abid. Okay, we close. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.